What's up YouTube, this your boy Ps3 Hot here. I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing an unboxing of The Amazing Spider-Man for the PS3. I've been waiting for this game for a while. As you can see, I already made a video about it, well, early about it, about what the game was like and is the game going to be good. I hope it's good. I've seen some stuff already and people have said it's a very good game, so I can't wait to play it. It says, your power, your choice, your playground. Spider-Man is back in Manhattan with the return of free roaming, web slinging, action. So, here's the, they say it's supposed to be the best looking New York City ever. Like I said, the costume damages. If you saw my last video, I think I explained that. There's also alternate costumes in here too, so you can change the costumes up. That's good. It's PlayStation Move compatible, so that's why it says only on PlayStation. But it's on Xbox 360, Wii, I think Wii, and so on. It comes in a nice sleeve too. If that's what you're wondering. Yes, it's a sleeve. I'm glad it comes in that. Now, let me get this sleeve off. All right, it's a sleeve, and here's the actual game case. Let's unbox this. Oh, wait a minute, I had it. Oh. Alright, jumps in there kind of tight, so I'm going to have to do it the other way. Alright, sorry about all that. Alright, here's the front, the side, the back. Let's see here, there's the disc too. Not much, just pretty regular. It's just like a little stuff to talk about the new Spider-Man 1, 2, and 3 Blu-ray, like the old movies. Here's her booklet, really much plain like Activision always does, plain manuals, but Alright, that was an unboxing for The Amazing Spider-Man for the PS3. This your boy Ps3 Hot. Peace.